In this TeamWork 5 video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your global availability template. This is the times and days you are generally available on a weekly basis, and these will affect all locations you're available to work at. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on Availability. Once you arrive on your availability calendar page, go to the top menu bar and click on Templates. Now, if you already have a template made, you will see it here. This is a new employee, so they don't have anything made. To create a new global template, click the arrow next to Templates. And now from the drop-down menu, select Add. You will have to choose the scope of your new template. Global is going to affect every location you can work at, or you can choose to create a template for a specific location. I'm going to choose global for this video. And if I didn't want to save this template, I would hit close, but I do, so I'm going to hit save. Now a default week for my global schedule has come up. Notice that the default is for me to work every day of the week at any time. Let's say I don't want to do that. I am not available to work on Wednesdays, so I will uncheck that box. And I don't want to work everywhere on Saturdays, so I'm going to uncheck that box in the global template. So now it's showing the days that I'm available to work, the days I'm not available to work, and that I'm available all day. Let's say I can't work Monday afternoons because I have a class. Next to all day, I will click on the arrow. And now I'm able to set specific times I'm available to work on Monday. Let's say I can work from 9 in the morning until 2 p.m. and then I have to get to class. So now I can only be scheduled between 9 and 2 on Mondays. For this schedule, I am available to work at restaurants. I like to work Friday evenings because I make more tips. So I'm going to change my preferred hours on Friday to the evening. So in the preferred column, I will click on the arrow, and I'm going to set my hours from 5 in the evening to 10:30, closing time. Now, those are my preferred hours. I could still be scheduled earlier. I really want to work Fridays for those tips, so I'm going to change that priority as well as the hours. In the priority column, I am going to click on the arrow and select 9, the highest priority. I also kind of want to work Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'm going to put those at a medium priority. And even though I'm available on Sundays and Mondays, those aren't my favorite days to work, so I'm going to leave them at a low priority. To save this template, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save. If you don't want to save it, hit Delete. I'm going to click Save. And now the template has been saved and is going into effect. Notice that a green saved bar appeared next to the Save and Delete buttons. That's letting you know when the page was last saved and that your save did take effect. Also, you can see the days when I can't work at all are grayed out, and the days when I am available to work are not grayed out. If I want to see if that availability went into effect, I'm going to go to My Availability on the top menu bar. And now you can see I'm not available to work on Wednesdays or Saturdays, and my Monday availability states I'm only available between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. So my template did go into effect. If you're available to work at different locations and you want to set different availabilities for those locations, check out the next video.